Hey guys, Miss Techie here, and I've got the Spark 3, Toby here, and I've got the Xiaomi Redmi 6A. So there's a twist to this.
What twist?
Are we giving you guys the option to pick which of the devices you think is better, and that device will be given away to one lucky viewer or reader, whichever one it is. So this should be fun, right? Yeah, let's do this. But fair warning guys, my device was launched around November 2018, and yeah, mine was launched in April, just 5 months apart. What's the big deal? Anyway, when it comes to design, the Spark 3 takes the lead with its nice textured plastic back and of course the popular notch display in front. Then there's a 6.2-inch display, which means that you get that immersive viewing experience. Okay, I'd admit that the Redmi 6A is not the best in design, but it is definitely no iPhone wannabe because the Redmi is quite small and light in weight. What has lightweight? I was about to say lightweightness, but yeah, what has lightness got to do with anything? Now let's talk about things that really matter. One of which is the display, and guys, the colors on the Spark 3 is definitely better than the Redmi 6A. Although they both use HD displays, but the Spark 3 colors are brighter and punchier. Well, my device is not bad either, because the user experience of my device kind of makes up for the lack of a brighter display. What's user experience? Mine runs on Android Pie, while yours runs on Android 8. Well, mine uses Xiaomi's MIUI, which is not as laggy as what you get on yours. Let's put that to test, right? So we'll be doing a speed test to see which device is faster, and the first app in the mix is Chrome, next is YouTube, then Instagram, finally into the dead game. Overall, the Redmi wins in RAM management test. Now that is not to say that the 2GB RAM is perfect on both devices though. Okay, so your device won by a small margin. What's the big deal? Anyways, the Spark 3 comes with both face unlock and fingerprint sensor for extra security, whereas the Nigerian variant of your device doesn't come with any form of extra security. You have to change the country to India to access face unlock. I mean, why go through all that stress? Plus, why would a fingerprint sensor be missing on a 2018 device? Well, at least mine doesn't take forever to charge. Yours takes about 4 hours to charge, which is way more than what I use in charging mine. And that is not a deal breaker, especially when you consider the fact that this comes with a larger battery. Also, the quality on the back camera kind of makes up for it. For example, the back camera on the Spark 3 produces brighter results than what you get on the Redmi 6A. Don't even go there. Yes, I'd admit that the back camera pictures look brighter, but the skin tones from the Redmi look sharper than what you get on the Spark. The pictures look like you have makeup on. Well, since I don't really wear makeup in real world, I'm as well wearing pictures. Why are you so loud? I have to be because my device is louder than yours. You know what? Let's end this here because this is clearly not working. Oh, you're running now, innit? Why should I run when my device clearly won this? No, it didn't. Okay, why not let them decide? So guys, which do you think is better? And don't forget, the one you decide will be given away. Now, can I talk? Oh yeah, talk. Anyways, to qualify, like, share and subscribe. Also click on the link in the description box below. And yeah, I'm out of here.